Hello YouTube, Red to Green here again with another recap. Today is December 27th, 2021. What a slow day. I was expecting it to be slow, but it was slower than I was expecting. Anything in pre-market did not move at all. We saw some stocks throughout the day. It's lunchtime. I decided to be done with trading. It was a choppy trading at the beginning for me. Market open, I was in red for a bit, and then MBOT and CODX came along, so saved my day. Let's go into recap. AVCT was the first stock I traded. It showed some good momentum at the market open. I was trading a red to green, that 35 into the 40 break. And this stock was a little choppy. Well, not a little, a lot choppy. So the feels for scalping are important, right? If you get in, if your feel is at for example 24, you're trying to get into that 27, 28 for 4 cents plus the slippage and the spread, right? But if your feel is at 26 and the high is 28, that 2 cents it's not gonna, if you come out break even, that's gonna be good. But in most cases, it doesn't happen. Not with TOS. So anyway, that's what was the case with AVCT for me. The scalping just was not working on it. The stock was all over the place. The spreads were all over the place. The feels were all over the place. And I missed majority of the move from the 50 into the 70 area. There were some setups. For example, that setup break of 55 into that 70, I would have probably got out at 60. And would have been watching for that volume spike, and it confirmed here right into that 70 area, which is kind of iffy if I would have taken it or not. But anyway, that was the only opportunity. And then once I saw that opportunity on AVCT, I was like, okay, we were setting up for another bull flag, right? Bull flag. It looks strong, right? I was trying to trade the 65. This thing is just so annoying. Look at these candles. They're like flat candles, 4 candles in a row, and looks weaker, right? So very indecisive stock. I'm down on it, 34 bucks. I don't know if I think I was down almost 60 on it. So I believe that first initial pop on that break of 1 minute high at 66 into the 70 was like $25 for me or something that I made. So back to 34 and it down 34. BFRI was another one. BFRI actually traded also from market open. BFRI, and BFRI actually set up, I believe, a good red to green. So for me, BFRI red to green looked decent because look at this. Okay, so it opened up. I didn't trade, and then I saw this candle here. It was the high of the 40, and I traded that high of 40 into the 57, and I think I did okay. I was up 20 bucks on it. Small share size, nothing crazy. And then I tried to trade this break of 60 into the test of high again and break of high, and it just never happened. And it was quick. It pulled back really fast. So I believe I lost 30 bucks on it or something. So that's why I'm down 8 bucks on it. I was up 20 something, 21. So yeah, it's just a choppy stock, and I just left it along. And then I started trading MBOT. MBOT was actually a good pre-market stock to watch. It was up. I believe it was one of the gappers, one of the stronger stock with volume, and I traded that break of high again, and I was scalping it. And it's kind of all over the place too. It wasn't really. I didn't see conviction in the like the moves, right? It didn't see that break up, but the scalping opportunities were there. And when I saw this pop through VWAP around 10:30, I believe it was, or 10:15. Yeah, 10:15. That's like I kind of started scalping again, and that's how I got to about 90 bucks on it. So and then it sold off, didn't hold the VWAP. That's the story with CODX. CODX, I should probably pull up when I talk about it in front of you guys. I have that stock on the other screen. So that's the yeah. Well, no, not CODX. MBOT. CODX is next stock. So MBOT right here. This is what I traded. I tried to trade that break, and then it sold off. I didn't touch it. I kind of was trading this area. I was hoping for this happening around here, but it didn't. Sold off. I was like, okay, it's done. And then it popped. I didn't trade that, and then I traded this right here. I didn't trade the first pop, but I traded the second 1 minute pop into that 140. And I tried to trade this flag stuff, so started scalping it. And then once I saw sold off and break a VWAP, I was done. And then CODX popped. I missed the initial pop. I was out. I was kind of distracted a lot today, but I did trade that secondary move here in the midway. Usually not a good move when you start trading that third, fourth, fifth flag up, and it's just a weaker stock. You're not getting the same volume as initial pop. So, but I did good on it. Over $100 on it. So that was a good stock to scalp, I believe. And then it starts selling off. I was waiting for the 60 to hold, and the 60 never held. Didn't really break that bull flag, the first bull flag, and then it did finally push through, and I traded a little bit, but not much. And by the way, guys, hit a like. It doesn't cost you anything, but it helps me my channel. My channel is so young. I have very few subscribers, so every little bit helps. Every like helps right now. So I appreciate it. Again, if you like those videos, subscribe. It would be much appreciated. So down on 2 stocks, up on 3 stocks. RELI was also a pre-market watch. I did trade it, but it wasn't really successful for me. I missed that break of 70. It was a weird stock. It had like no volume, and all of a sudden it was like you see this rush of volume and the spreads. It was just not moving like I wanted to. I wasn't feeling comfortable on it. I did trade it a little bit, small share size. Yeah, just kind of a chill day as far as trading. I was down in the pre-market. I'm not pre-market, down in the early open, and it kind of climbed my way through around $40, and then I saw this MBOT, I'm sorry, CODX pop up, and I traded CODX, and that what brought me over $100. So $143.55 on a day, I believe. I don't know why it's showing 152. 143. Did I miss something? Yeah, it's down 460. It's not up 460. Yeah. So I see RELI, I'm even down. So let me make that red. So 43.56. That's it. So down on 3 stocks. REL, I'm actually down. Yeah, I remember that was a chop fest. So anyway, that's it for my recap. Hopefully tomorrow will be better. I doubt it. It's the end of the year. Everybody's on vacation. A lot of people on vacation. I know some of the viewers are on vacation. Still logging in and watching. So I appreciate you guys. Hopefully next year we'll start good, right? And Happy New Year, everybody. And I'll talk to you next time.